This is literally the biggest cheat code that you can learn in life, and I'm sure that it's going to take you so far in life, even if you struggle to do the hard things in life and you struggle with discipline. So whatever thing you're struggling with, whatever it is that you want to do in life, achieve in life, whatever it might be, just tell yourself that this thing is easy for me. Like, it's easy for me. Even if other people around you keep telling you that it's very hard, it's very difficult to do this or get this done or achieve this, just tell yourself that I am the exception. It might be difficult for other people, but for me, it's the easiest thing. It's just another job. It's just another thing that I can do. It's just very easy for me. Just brainwash yourself, literally brainwash yourself into believing that it is very easy for you to get it done. That thing will literally become easy for you, even if it becomes very difficult for others. Or in reality, it might be a very difficult thing to actually do. But if you brainwash yourself, if you tell yourself this, keep repeating this to yourself that it's easy for me, I am the exception and I can get this done very easily, you will be able to do it. And literally, this is the cheat code that you can apply to anything in life.